Hello and welcome to the kitchen at How to University. Today, we're going to show you how to make one of the most popular breakfast dishes out there, the pancake. Whether you're a seasoned pancake pro or a newbie in the kitchen, we've got you covered. So let's get started. The pancake is one of the world's most popular and simple breakfast foods. It has been a staple in the kitchen for centuries. In fact, it's believed that we've been enjoying pancakes since the Stone Age almost 30,000 years ago. Now, before we begin cooking, be sure to have everything you need. Either a griddle or frying pan, a sifter, a spatula, mixing bowl, measuring cups, and spoons. There's no better place to cook than a clean and prepped kitchen. Now let's go ahead and gather our ingredients. These are the base ingredients for any pancake. You will need the following: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1¼ cups of milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but buttermilk is typically what is used. 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You can mess with these ingredients as you wish. The amount of milk will determine how thick or thin your pancakes are, and you can add in other ingredients. I enjoy adding some chocolate chips. Now we can get started. Grab a large mixing bowl, a sifter, and your ingredients. Start with your flour, then your baking soda. Your salt. And your sugar. From there, gently sift and mix your dry ingredients. Next, create a hole in the middle of your mix. Here, you'll add your milk, your egg, and your butter, and mix it all together. Be careful though. Overmixing can create tough pancakes. While mixing your ingredients, preheat your griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Grease the pan with either butter or some oil. Once the pan is hot, use a ladle and add about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake to the pan or griddle. Cook the pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. You will know when to flip the pancakes when small bubbles form on the surface. Serve the pancakes hot with your favorite toppings, such as butter, maple syrup, whipped cream, or fresh fruit. Strawberries, bananas, and blueberries are great fruits to use. You can even use chocolate chips for sweetness. Voila! The perfect pancake recipe. Remember to use a non-stick pan or griddle to ensure that your pancakes cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. Don't forget to experiment with different toppings to find your favorite combination. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes from the kitchen as well as other lessons here at How to University. There are a ton of lessons now and more coming soon. I'll see you next time. Bon appetit!